Most people think aging is something we can't control. But scientists say some everyday habits can actually speed up the aging process. The strange part is that many of these habits feel completely normal, and one of them might be something you're doing right now. In this video, we'll explain 6 everyday habits that may be aging your body faster than normal. First, poor sleep. During deep sleep, the body releases growth hormones that help repair damaged cells, support the immune system, and maintain healthy skin. When people consistently sleep less than 7 hours, stress hormones like cortisol begin to rise. Research shows that higher cortisol levels can break down collagen, the protein responsible for keeping skin firm and smooth. Over time, poor sleep may lead to fatigue, weaker immunity, and faster visible aging. That's why scientists often describe sleep as the body's natural repair cycle. But sleep is only one piece of the puzzle. Another powerful factor that influences aging: chronic stress. Stress is a natural response that helps the body react to challenges. However, when stress becomes constant, the body stays in a prolonged alert state. During this time, cortisol continues to circulate in the bloodstream. Studies suggest that long-term exposure to high cortisol levels can increase inflammation and speed up cellular aging. This can affect the brain, immune system, and even skin health. Managing stress through exercise, relaxation, or simple breathing techniques can help reduce these long-term effects. But another everyday habit may influence aging even more than many people realize. Third, unhealthy diet. The food we eat directly affects how the body functions and repairs itself. Diets high in processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can increase inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to faster aging and many long-term health problems. Highly processed foods may also reduce the body's ability to repair damaged cells efficiently. In contrast, foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants help protect cells from damage. This is why many nutrition experts recommend diets based on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and balanced meals. Another habit scientists often discuss is too much sitting. Modern life has made sitting extremely common. Many people spend hours each day sitting at desks, in cars, or in front of screens. However, the human body was designed for movement. When we remain seated for long periods, blood circulation slows and metabolism becomes less efficient. Research has linked sedentary lifestyles to faster physical decline and increased risk of chronic disease. Even small changes like standing, stretching, or walking regularly can help improve circulation and support overall health. But physical habits are not the only factor that affects aging. The next habit involves something people experience almost every day: excess sun exposure. Sunlight helps the body produce vitamin D, which supports bone health and immune function. However, too much exposure to ultraviolet radiation can damage skin cells. Dermatologists explain that ultraviolet rays break down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and elastic. This process is known as photoaging. Over time, repeated sun exposure can cause wrinkles, dark spots, and premature skin aging. Protecting the skin with sunscreen and limiting prolonged sun exposure can significantly reduce these effects. And the final habit is something many people overlook: dehydration. Water is essential for nearly every process in the human body. Proper hydration supports circulation, helps transport nutrients, and keeps cells functioning efficiently. When the body becomes dehydrated, the skin can appear dull and less flexible. Dehydration can also affect energy levels, concentration, and the body's ability to regulate temperature. Health experts often emphasize that drinking enough water throughout the day is one of the simplest habits that supports healthy cells and overall body function. Aging is a natural process, but everyday habits can influence how quickly the body changes over time. Improving sleep, managing stress, eating healthier foods, staying active, protecting the skin, and staying hydrated can all support long-term health and help the body function at its best.